Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our bars options. So now if you click it on here, then our this CSS open will be executed and overlay will be executed. And also if you click it in here, then it will be gone. That means our CSS will be closed and overlay will be also as a close, right? Which is totally fine. So now friend, I want to do when that will be into the mobile view. Okay, when it will be into the mobile view, or this mega menu will be not visible. Here I want to do and to load another menu. So I want to load another mega menu for our mobile version, and this mobile version mega menu will be display in here. So let's do that work. For doing this, I want to do in our home. In our home, I have already created one of the mega menu, right? So that is a mega menu. So now I want to do and to create another mega menu for the mobile. Better in our home, I want to create another component. I just name it as a mega menu for mobile. Okay, mobile.jsx. So I created another component, and then I want to create another class-based component. I simply created this class-based component. So that is our class-based component. I name it as a mega menu for mobile. Okay, mega menu for mobile. First of all, I want to make it as a figment. So that is our figment. I load this figment, and our figment is now successfully loaded in here, right? So now I want to do and to copy everything from our mega menu. If you go to that mega menus, mega menu means, I hope you already remember. So that is our mega menu, right? So the same things will be actually here. That is our component. So after that component, they have some of the constructor I have created before. So I first of all I copy it. Okay, I copy this total component, and now in our mega menu for mobile, after this I want to do and to paste it. Okay, I simply paste it, and also after that there is a returned. After that return, there is our div. I want to do and to copy everything. Okay, I copy total things. So that is our last div. I simply copy this last div, and now in our this mobile menu, here there is a return. We don't need this figment. Here I simply paste it. Okay, I simply paste it. So first of all, I want to do and to remove all. I only want to take one button. Okay, so right now I remove it. Now there is one button, there is another one. Here only we have to actually change that CSS. Okay, I simply take one. First of all, that is before for the menu, that means for our mega menu, I have used one of the class name as a accommodation, right? Accommodation item, accommodation menu icon. You can say accommodation menu div, and then accommodation menu div inside. And also I'll take it. I take this when it should get this element, that is our accommodation. So now we have to actually create another CSS. So better I want to do. If you go to that CSS, into the CSS area, before I created one of the mega menu, you can see there is a mega menu CSS, and here I have created that CSS. So now I want to create another CSS. I click as a new file. I name it as a mega menu for mobile. Okay, mobile.css. So this type of one of the CSS I simply created, and also we have to take it. We have to take it in our custom CSS. Into the custom CSS we have to import it. I simply import our this menu name. I name it as a mega, and then menu. You can see spelling mistake. I make it as a mega menu. I rename it mega. Okay, mega menu for mobile CSS. So there is a mega menu mobile.css. So now that will be as a mega menu mobile.css. So I simply load it in our this custom, right? So into the custom area I input our this CSS. So that is our CSS, which is totally fine. Now click as a save all. I want to better make it as a clean. So that is a custom CSS. We don't need this. Mega menu mobile, we don't need this. Home page will be needed later. So that is our mobile. Mobile, we don't need this. Here I want to load in our this mega menu, right? Mega menu, perfect. So for the mega menu, there is our CSS. I want to copy everything from our mega menu. So from our mega menu, copy all that our CSS class. I copy it, and now in our this menu, that is CSS I have created as a mega menu mobile CSS, here I paste it. Okay, so now only I want to do everything will be just like that same. I only want to do and change that class name. I name it as a mobile. Okay, I make it as a mobile. So that will be as a mobile. Only after that I want to use it as a mobile. There is accommodation mobile, hover, accommodation mobile after, and then the panel mobile. I use that CSS class. I have already used it in our mega menu. And then the accommodation mobile dev, I make it as a mobile, dev mobile, dev, and then mobile, and then dev mobile, and then inside that mobile, icon mobile, icon item mobile hover. Okay, I simply updated that CSS class. So now we have to use this CSS class for our mega menu mobile. So for the mega menu mobile, you can see there is actually accommodation menu dev. After that I use it this class name as a mobile, and also inside I make it as a mobile accommodation. Now our class name as a mobile, right? If you go to our mega menu mobile, you can see I have updated that our class name as accommodation mobile. So now that should be as a accommodation mobile. And also icon I have updated as a accommodation menu icon mobile. That means accommodation icon. If you go, that is actually icon, you can see the icon mobile. So I have already updated that part, so which is totally fine. And also the panel I make it as a panel mobile, right? If you go, I make it as a panel mobile. You can see there is a panel mobile, which is totally fine. And then accommodation item also I name it as a mobile, and then mobile. That means accommodation item mobile. You can see there is accommodation item mobile. I simply updated that CSS only. Okay, I simply updated that CSS. So that is updated, this one, and also here you can see here also we have to update that accommodation mobile, because of right now we are into this div as accommodation mobile, which is totally fine. And rest of this will be just like that same. Here we don't need to do anything. I only want to do, there is a return bottom. So I want to, from our mega menu, I want to import some of the things. If you go to our mega menu home, what exactly I have imported before, I didn't import anything. So here also we don't need to input anything, which is totally fine. Okay, which is totally fine. So now if you click as a save all, and now I want to load this menu, that means the mega menu mobile. I want to load it in our this menu area. Okay, that means here it should be loaded. So if you want to load it that things in here, then what exactly you have to do? In our mega menu, there is a nav menu mobile, right? Into the nav menu mobile, here I have already loaded some of the text, you can see. So for the reasons this text is visible. So now into this text area, I want to load this component that I have created as a mega menu mobile. So now let's load it. So that will be as a mega menu mobile. You can see there is a mega menu mobile. I simply loaded this component, in particular that position. Okay, I simply loaded, and also when you load it, automatically that should be inputted. You can see that is inputted our mega menu mobile from our home and then mega menu mobile. Perfect. So now let's check this out. Click as a save all, and now go there, click as a refresh. Now click it. Perfect. You can see everything is working perfectly. Perfect. So now a menu is loaded, and there is a sub menu is also loaded, right? So now I want to update it. So that is our mega menu mobile. Into the mega menu mobile there have only one, so now I copy it. So there is a copy this button. I want to add multiple buttons. So literally friend, everything will be dynamic. We will actually manage all that menu from our backend. I simply paste it. Now click as a save all, and now if you go, now refresh it, now click it. Yeah, you can see it's not perfect. It's not perfectly loaded all that our menu, right? So all that our menu is now successfully loaded. And also into a take a multiple one. I take multiple one, click as a save all again. Now go there, click as a refresh. Perfect. Okay, and also our this sidebar is also executed, which is totally fine. Okay, which is totally fine. Everything is great. I hope friend you like it very much. So here is simply loaded our this menu. So now our this menu will be visible for our mobile view, right? So for the mobile view, I don't want to display our this menu. Okay, right now there is a mobile menu, so that's mobile menu will be executed. So only this slider will be visible for the mobile view. Here I don't want to display our this mega menu. You can actually manage it by the resolution. That means with the responsive mode, I want to take some of the skin area. So when it will be a small skin, then automatically it will be get it. Then our menu will be changed. Okay, with our dependent on our skin sizes, it will be executed our desktop menu rather than the mobile menu. So how can do that work? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.